Just getting ready for my bike ride. This morning there was a event that I went to. I was asking a question about my bike. So it was a bike maintenance workshop and also free maintenance. And the company or the group that puts it on is Advocates for Cycling in our tiny little rural community, and they have a lot to do with the bike trail that's coming in. So I asked them about chain stretch and how to know when to replace your chain. And I wasn't able to talk to the the mechanic myself, but I'd have to stop in the bike shop and ask him. I've never really asked that question before. So anyway, they were giving freebies away, and I got this bottle. I haven't washed it, so I haven't filled it up, but I will be. My long rides can take me out away from all of the water sources, so it's nice to have just a little bit extra. I only have 2 hours max today to ride, so I'm just gonna take it easy today. Don't know how many miles I'll get in, but I expect about 20, maybe slightly less, because I am not gonna push myself today. But this morning I had that bike workshop I wanted to go to, and then helping my husband with the event tonight in the food truck. So I knew I wasn't gonna have time today for a long ride, but tomorrow I've got nothing going on except for just regular chores. So tomorrow will be my long ride. Yep, it's gonna happen. Sure is beautiful out today though. It's green, sunny, cloudy. No shade down here, but that's all right. I was biking down this road a few years ago, and there was a fenced field on this side. It's further up the road quite a bit. I won't make it that far today, but there's a fenced field on this side, and it was on the other side of the fence, too far to reach, was a giant elk shed. Oh, it was so cool. I wanted to grab it, but I wasn't gonna go on their property. So I live back there with those mountains, and over here, there's no snow on them. That's so weird. You can see the snow back there. I've never seen water in this creek bed before. The sun went behind that cloud. That is so much better. It's pretty toasty today. I don't know what temperature it actually is, but it is pretty toasty with the sun shining on you. You can see a little bit of snow on that mountain. I got a comment on Facebook. I had posted some pictures of a bike ride into this group, and this person commented, "Oh, what a dump you have to ride in. There's no cars, there's nothing to see. I'd hate to bike like that. I feel so bad for you." And I don't understand that. I get everyone's different, but who wants to ride with a bunch of cars zooming by you all the time? Not me. Anyway, I'm glad some people like to live in crowded places. Keep places like this less crowded for people like me who enjoy not being packed in with cars zooming by all the time. This is the life for me. I'm gonna turn around here. I was gonna go up there to that main road and then head back down south, but I think I'm gonna head back. I need to make sure I'm back with plenty of time to shower, walk dogs, and go say hello to cats before I go to the food truck. So I'm just gonna go back now. Woo-wee, look at him move. He saw a human. As soon as I pulled over here, he just started taking off. Look at the field of purple flowers. That's why I came over here. I just pulled up the Weather Channel to see what the temperature is today and what it will be tomorrow. And it's 73 it says right now. And tomorrow it should be 67, so it'll feel a little bit nicer tomorrow. Not quite as hot. 73 is not even that hot, so I'm surprised I feel as hot as I do. But I guess that's what happens after you ride in the cold weather all winter. The sheep have come to this field. There's not a lot of them yet, but this field can get really full of sheep. So I think all these sheep are pregnant. The one in the middle there has a bell on its neck. There's a few of them that have bells on their necks. And it rings every time she breathes. She's breathing heavy because it's hot. Finally, one that's not afraid. Well, I'm back at my car pretty much. I ended up cutting 20 minutes off my allotted 2 hours, but that's okay. So I'm gonna be out tomorrow for quite a while. So that's all right. Ooh, squirrel, cute. So anyway, my ride is done. I will see you next time. And until then, get outside, soak up the sun,